guys, it's Melanie again. I've been getting a lot of messages and I've been seeing a lot of videos lately, and what I really want to talk about today is body dysmorphic disorder, also known in abbreviation as BDD. If you guys don't know what that means, that is a person who is naturally thin still looking back at themselves as being fat. Okay, and the reason why this is like normal for people who have weight loss surgery is because, as I always say, it takes the mind a lot of catching up to do with your body. I personally did it in 8 months, and can I tell you, it was huge for me, like, to actually catch up with my body. I mean, I was going so fast, you know, losing 115 pounds in, 8 months, that it didn't catch up to me, and I mean, I still, okay, I saw myself in the mirror as thin, yes, but in my head, I still thought that I was fat, you know what I'm saying? I didn't handle it too well, you know what I'm saying? And then other people just see themselves as just plain fat, and it's normal. And for like the people who are pre-op, or like the people who are just beginning their journey, be aware that the mind does take time to catch up with your body, okay? And it does take time to get over that disorder, to tell you the truth. I've just been hearing so many people talking about it that I just wanted, to go ahead and say it, because it's very true, and we just have to, I guess, be aware of it, and there were many times where, I mean, I would catch attention here and there, or just like not even notice people and saying things, and I'm like, what are they talking about? I'm like, I'm still fat, my family even have my family and my friends had side jokes and called me like flaca and clinca, which is a Spanish word, like a Puerto Rican Spanish word, or like another friend of mine would call me Princess Bones. And to me, I got upset, because I'm like, what the hell are they talking about? I'm not skinny. This is when I was, of course, already at goal, and I'm like, I'm still fat, you know what I'm saying? But to them, I was skinny. And you also have to like deal with like criticisms, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh my god, I've been through it all. I mean, you have to deal with people telling you, oh, you're getting too thin, oh, you're losing too much weight, and it's mainly because they have never seen you this way. You understand where I'm coming from? I mean, it's just, this journey is freaking crazy, and you just have to deal with all these emotions, and oh, I could go on and on. Also, I know a couple of people that have recently done plastic surgery, their tummy tucks, and I'm really proud of them. And sometimes I see their videos and I see them going into details and saying what they're going through, and like, I kind of regret not going into details with my plastic surgery, because it was just a very traumatizing and depressing I guess outcome for me. But the reason why I'm bringing it up is because I have not been exercising the way I'm supposed to. The last time I remember, well, not exercising at all, actually, for a couple of months now. And the main reason being is because of what happened with my plastic surgery. The last time I remember exercising was back in April, and I was training for a 5K, the yearly 5Ks that I do for breast cancer, and that was in April, and I had to go ahead and have a revision surgery, and I just remember exercising, right, and I would be on the treadmill, and I had what was known as an open track, okay? And I just remember exercising and the freaking pus coming out of my, my tummy tuck area, that incision there. And you know how traumatizing that is? Like, I would work out and I just had all this pus coming down my body, and then like I was trying to do ab exercises, I remember at that time, and it was all leaking out, and what I used to do, it was so much that I had to wear like pads, Kotex, to cover myself. And then after that, I just felt, you know, after the revision surgery in April, which also stopped me from doing that 5K, I just stopped exercising you know, I just stopped exercising in general because I felt like if I exercised again, my incision was going to open back up, you know, or I felt like I was going to rip apart. And there was another reason that I had a Brazilian butt lift, okay, which is a transfer of fat. You know, they take lipo and they inject it in your butt. And I felt, because it's known that, you know, when they do that, it's known that if you tend to lose weight, you could lose it. You know what I'm saying? So that was another reason why I didn't do it. But I needed a push. I needed a push because I set a challenge for myself that when I hit my 2-year surgery, which is January 6th of 2010, I wanted to look my best because I was coming on here for the first time in a bikini, okay? And a bikini in general, because I still don't wear it when I'm home, you know. Like I said, I do have a pool and stuff like that, and I just don't wear it. That's another reason. You see what I mean? I'm thin, but my mind hasn't caught up to my body. I just can't do it, okay? 2 years, guys. Still have not got my mental, you know, self there. You know what I'm saying? With my body. So I made that commitment that I'm going to go ahead and be here on January 6th in the bikini. And I needed a push. I needed a push because I wanted to look my best, you know. So guess who pushed me? Our favorite friend, Wendy. Yeah, she pushed me, and I'm so happy she did because I'm back on track. And I wanted to talk about that because it's been so long that I haven't done it. It feels like I'm starting over, okay? And I was disappointed because at you know, half a mile I was already like bursting for air, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, I couldn't, like, it was so disappointing. And it takes me 30 minutes to do 2 miles. You're talking to a person that came from doing 5 miles, you know, every day. And I'm like, I could only do 2 miles? I mean, like, are you serious, Mel? But then I thought in my head, this is like starting over, you know what I'm saying? So I have to give myself a break, and I have to, you know, I have to be calm and take it slow and then work my way into it, you know? So it's like starting over, guys. If you take a break from exercise, it's just like beginning all over again. The pain was excruciating the next day. My heart, my heart felt like it was coming out the next day. I was having trouble with my heart, with trouble breathing. The second day, my legs were killing me. You know what I'm saying? I've been exercising for 4 days straight, and it's just like, oh my God, the pain, and then like my timing is just off big time, you know. And it's like I'm disappointed, but I'm happy that I'm starting to do it again, you know. And eventually I want to do a 10K race. I'm already going to do a 5K next year. I want to do the 10K, and I do want to do a half marathon. So I have to get prepared for all of this, and it's like, you know, but yep, that's basically my vlog for today. Everybody, I hope you're having a good day. Happy holidays, and take care. Bye.